In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a front raise to 180 degrees. Now, of course, this exercise, we need to be careful with loading and the weight we pick. So make sure that if you're doing this for the first time, you pick a nice light weight, get used to the exercise and form, and then progress from there. There are 3 muscles worked in shoulder flexion, which is a front raise. These are the anterior deltoid. This is the main reason why people do this exercise, to build up the anterior part of the shoulder, so the front of the shoulder. We've also got the coracobrachialis, which lives at the front of the shoulder as well. And we've got the pectoralis major that assists and helps out. Now, there are 2 grips you can do for this exercise. We can have the palms facing towards each other. From here, glutes and core squeezed, chest up, and I can then slowly bring the weights to 180, keeping my elbows straight, and slowly bring the weights back down towards my sides. Or I can have my palms facing towards me. I can start off in a narrower position. I've still got my shoulders back, chest up, glutes and core squeezed as I generate all the power from the bottom of the movement with the front of the shoulder, as opposed to trying to use any hip momentum or swing to cheat during the exercise. Now, I wouldn't give this exercise to those with poor shoulder flexion. And what I mean by that is, let's say somebody can get up to here in shoulder flexion and they can't get up any higher. They're of course going to start using other structures to help them out. So what I would see is someone would start off with all the same cues, shoulders back. They might get to here, but that's the limit of their shoulder flexibility. They'll then probably use lower back to give the illusion that they're doing the rest of the exercise. So if you can't get the shoulder to 180 anyway, I would always start off with lots of flexibility work before doing this exercise. If you can get to 180, you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, generating all the power of the exercise from your starting stop point. And of course, on the way down, you are controlling those weights under control. Doesn't matter what grip you use, try out both, see what you think. And of course, if you've never done this before, start off with a nice lightweight